Hey, hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a about section, and this is my previous page, and when I'll click about section, and this uh, link will be directly open my about section. So let us start my today's video. This is my better health project folder, and in project folder I have more on file about .html, and open my browser. This is my I will copy my index file all phase and paste here, and this on will be same. I don't change this page. I will change this one, only this one. Now I will open and right now a div class content and class, and body will be h2 tag and h2 tag close. This one will be about section, and in content I'll create a div, again div tag and div tag close here, and in div h3 tag. I'll copy this text. Let me check. I'll copy my h3 tag, this one, and paste in here, and after that I will create a p tag, and all p tag I will copy and paste here. One more time, h3 tag and h3 tag close, and p tag close, h3 tag and p tag. Let me check how many. 4. Control C and Control V. And this one will be again Control C and Control V. After that, this one, Control P. Control C, Control V. One more time. P tag and P tag close. Template details, Control V. And Control C, Control V. Let me check my page and click here. Perfectly work, but didn't show my picture. Why this problem? Let me check. I didn't. I have removed my image tag, but why I didn't show here again. In content tag will be in content tag. imgsrc will be images slash. Let me check and copy where this image paste in here. Lady doing yoga class will be figure. Perfect, but not perfectly sure in this page. Let me check why this problem and go to my CSS file. And this is my index.css file, and this is not tagline p. After tagline p will be as body div tag dot content h3. Sorry, body div dot content. Overflow hidden. Let me check. Body div dot content div will be followed left and right. White will be perfectly working, but some content mistake. I will edit body tag div dot content h3 and body form h3 comma and body ul dot not font family. Font family will be and size pixel font white normal and line height will be margin 0, padding will be 25 pixel 0 0. Let me check. Perfectly working my site, but some paragraph tag will be changed. Body div dot content font family will be and line height 30 pixel. Let me check. Oh, perfectly working. So this is my page, about page. Next tutorial I will create a class instructor page. Thanks for watching my video. Take care about yourself.